my base, I use the Lioele Water Drop BB Cream. I usually do 2 pumps and just dot that all around my face like so, for even application. I blend that all out with my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. I really like this BB cream because it's very hydrating and lightweight. Perfect for every day. It gives you that healthy glow without looking oily. For concealer, I like to use the Holika Holika Cover and Hiding Concealer. I apply it to areas I need a bit more coverage, like my under eyes and chin. I use a damp beauty sponge to blend the concealer with the BB cream seamlessly. To set, my obviously loved Innisfree No-Sebum powder does the job. I dunk a bit of product onto the cap and take a big fluffy brush to apply it. I only really set my T-zone where I get most oily and the areas I've concealed. For brows, I use the Face Shop's Designing Eyebrow Pencil. I really don't do much to my brows since I opt for a more natural everyday look. I just comb through them, fill them in quickly, focusing on areas I personally find sparse. Then, go back with the spoolie again to soften the strokes I've created. For my eyes, I used a dark chocolate shade like this. And with a sharp angled brush, I line the outer third of my lid and drag the shadow down. Then, going in with more product, I connect the line we just created to the bottom half of my lower lash line. Now, with a small fluffy brush, I take the tiniest bit of shadow and use that to soften the edges, so it won't look too harsh. Do the same thing to the other eye. Just maybe don't poke your eye out like I did. And that's pretty much it for the eyes. For lips, I use this tinted lip balm to help with my insanely dry lips and add a hint of color. I finish everything off with this mist from the Beauty Bakery to let everything melt beautifully into the skin and add a nice sheen to the face without looking greasy. Then, just let that dry. So that's it for my everyday makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.